Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen in Indian style. First, gather your ingredients, including your favorite instant ramen, fresh vegetables, and a selection of Indian spices. Next, prepare your aromatics by finely chopping ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Finally, ensure you have 1 tablespoon of cooking oil ready for the pan. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies to the hot oil. Sauté these aromatics for about 30 seconds until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Next, it's time for the vegetables. Incorporate your favorite chopped vegetables, such as onions and bell peppers, into the pan. Cook these for 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly tender. Then, pour in 2 cups of water and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Finally, add your ramen noodles and their seasoning packet. To finish, cook the ramen noodles for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally to separate them. Ensure the noodles are tender and the broth has thickened slightly to your liking. For a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice. Your delicious Indian-style ramen is now ready to be served immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.